Annabelle McNew is here with all the details on the Women Who Wander retreat. Welcome to Houston Life.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
This sounds so cool. So talk to me about this retreat. It's coming up a little bit later in the month, but this is all about grabbing your girlfriends or grab a girlfriend and go into the hill country for a retreat. How did you guys come up with this idea?
It was just kind of, you know, there is actually a retreat in Rockport that one of the girls on our planning committee, who is a Texas game warden, has been to for many years, and she and another girl on the committee, Jamie Holmes, who's the owner of Frio Country Resort, they have been talking about it for years and years amongst friends, and we just kind of, it was very serendipitous. We got together and started talking, and it just kind of took on a life of its own, and it's really grown into something that we're really excited about.
Talk about hashtag girl power. Where would you, I mean, this is probably one of the best backdrops in the country to have a women's retreat, Texas Hill Country. Again, this is happening March 29th, and this is all about women's empowerment, outdoor adventure, and a joy of disconnecting and connecting. Talk to me about the disconnect and the connect.
Yeah, so I mean, we know that being in nature relieves stress, and so we've got just kind of all kinds of opportunities to relieve stress together with some girlfriends. And if you can't make it with your girlfriends, you can make new girlfriends.
Right.
So there is just going to be this amazing community at the event, and we're excited to meet everybody. And we're going to be talking a lot about you know, self-care and stress relief and just making some time for ourselves because we get so busy. So it's really nice to take a weekend and get away. And
it is, and I think it's so important to do this with other like-minded women who are busy, who are maybe career-oriented or busy in the family. And so it's nice to take those few days, moments to reconnect. Activities like hiking and yoga, archery, fly fishing, and if the outdoorsy thing gets you a little nervous, you say don't worry, because it can be as adventurous or spa-like as you'd like, right?
Exactly. So we've got massage therapists, estheticians. We're, you know, just offering kind of all wine tasting. You can be as active or as laid back as you'd like. So.
And so basically we would sign up for the retreat and then pick our activities as we would like to attend over the weekend, right?
Yes. Yeah, absolutely. And then we're going to kind of customize every individual schedule so that it's we make sure that everybody gets a really excellent experience, and everybody will arrive on Friday and have dinner and wine tasting and live music on the banks of the river. And then Saturday morning we actually will have a buffet breakfast, and we have Jen Hatmaker coming to speak, and so we're excited about that. And we'll have some breakout sessions. We also we'll talk a little bit to the Texas Game Wardens and the Texas Parks and Wildlife Foundation. We're excited about that. They're going to come out and talk a little bit about being outdoors and getting into the wild. And then off everyone will go to their activities and explore and just have some fun and learn some new skills. So no outdoor skills required.
Right. I mean, if you exactly. And this also benefits the Texas Parks and Wildlife Foundation, which is really important.
Yes, it does. It does. So it goes through the Texas Parks and Wildlife Foundation. They support the Texas Game Wardens Association, and we are so proud of them because they just provide such amazing resources. That the Texas Game Wardens, a lot of people don't realize that they completed over 10,000 rescues during Hurricane Harvey here in Houston. So, and they are funded by the hunting and fishing licenses only, but they do so much more outside of that. And so we are really excited to have them and generate some awareness and tell people about what they do and give back. And
what a great way to do that right in their backyard, right in our backyard. Do you want to tell you that there is a special offer? Call all your girlfriends because you want to get in on it. There is extended registration right now through March 15th, and you're doing a 10% discount with the code, wait for it, Houston Life. Tell all your friends. So you want to use that code and make sure you register through March 15th because you guys are almost sold out, right?
We are. We're getting very close. So
awesome.
Grab your girls and come on.
I love it. It sounds fantastic. And let me know if you need a camera crew that week.
Yes, please come.
Annabelle, thank you so much. Great to meet you. I know this is going to be a continued event for sure. And to get in on the special offer that we just mentioned, for more information, visit HoustonLife.tv.